There are currently 155 million active channels on YouTube, a highly competitive arena where creators fight for finite attention. The failure funnel starts immediately. 90% of channels never reach 1,000 subscribers. That shrinks to 6% who earn money. And a silver play button? Only 0.05%. 1 in 2,000 reach that milestone. YouTube is a ruthless, saturated market. While many enter expecting a get-rich-quick scheme, most find a wall of silence. Platform mechanics are rarely the problem. The algorithm treats a beginner's video with the same logic it uses for a veteran. The core expectations of new creators are what doom them from day one. The expectation trap begins when a new creator uploads their first few videos and assumes the algorithm will automatically generate a viral hit. When the views stay at zero, demotivation sets in almost instantly. The creator hits a wall where effort doesn't seem to equal results. Desperate for growth, they pivot to searching for hacks, finding secret settings, magic posting times, or the perfect tags that will force the algorithm to notice them. This chart shows the toxic loop. Watching advice videos triggers a dopamine hit that tricks the brain into feeling a sense of progress. You feel like you're building a channel, even though you've stopped making content entirely. This specific point of endless consumption without execution is where 99% of creators quit. Most channels flatline because the creator gets paralyzed by passive learning. They fall into a cycle of binging advice while their actual production skills remain at zero. The successful 1% move with a different mindset. They have completely abandoned the search for algorithm shortcuts. Beginners often fail by trying to be unique right out of the gate. Testing unproven formats provides no baseline data, making it impossible to know why a video failed or how to fix it. The correct strategy involves analyzing your niche to find concepts and formats that the target audience is already watching. Start by replicating the fundamental structure of successful videos. This gives your channel a solid foundation based on proven data. Then, layer on your unique selling point. Your specific personality or custom style transforms that proven format into something original. Innovation on YouTube means taking a wheel that already rolls and painting it a new color. Growing a channel requires a specific allocation of effort, guided by the 80-20 rule. Most creators waste 80% of their time on tasks that yield very little growth, like over-researching trivial details or obsessing over micro-edits in the middle of a video. This chart shows the vital 20% of the process. The video idea, the title, the thumbnail, and the first 30 seconds of the intro are responsible for 80% of your success. Focusing on these high-leverage elements is how you escape the guru trap. Commit to applying exactly one new lesson or marginal improvement to your very next upload. Stop binging advice and start executing on it. Ultimately, rapid channel growth is the compound interest generated by hyper-focusing on packaging and executing marginal daily improvements. We see this clearly in creators like Sakling Khan. His channel appeared to explode out of nowhere, gaining 400,000 subscribers from what looked like a viral first video. This public view leads new creators to believe their own first upload should achieve these same viral results. The reality follows the iceberg model. The public only sees the 9 successful videos sitting above the surface. Beneath the surface, the creator produced over 500 videos on a failed channel. That was the grueling training ground where he mastered scripting, pacing, and camera presence. Set your short-term expectations to 0. Treat your first 50 uploads purely as practice rounds rather than final products meant to go viral. If a specific niche truly stalls out, it is okay to pivot. The process of iterative creation is more important than the specific topic you start with. The 1% succeed because they embrace the unglamorous, invisible work that the 99% refuse to do. Subscribe to The Explainer for more truth-driven breakdowns of digital systems.